Renting an apartment at 17 can be challenging due to legal constraints and the requirement for a legal adult to sign a lease. However, some options might be available. Parental consent. Seek parental consent and involvement. Some landlords may consider renting to a 17-year-old with a parent or legal guardian co-signing the lease. Guardianship arrangement. Explore the possibility of a legal guardianship arrangement. In some cases, having a legal guardian may facilitate the rental process. Emancipation. If legally emancipated, which is a legal process that grants minors the status of adults, you may have more autonomy in entering into contracts like a lease. Roommate or sublet. Consider rooming with someone who meets the legal age requirements. Alternatively, explore subletting arrangements where you share a space with someone who already has a lease. Student housing. Explore student housing options such as college dormitories or student residencies, which may have more lenient age restrictions. Local laws and regulations. Understand the local laws and regulations regarding renting to minors. Some areas may have specific rules governing such situations.